With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss one question. Here in this question we are given an expression and we need to find the value of x for which this complete expression is always less than equals to 0. So here we are given the expression as x minus 4 to the power 2005 into x plus 8 to the power 2008 into x plus 1 all divided by x to the power 2006 into x minus 2 whole cube into x plus 3 whole to the power 5 into x minus 6 into x plus 9 whole to the power 2010. So this is the expression given to us. So for solving this question we are going to use the approach of wavy-curvy method. So for that wavy-curvy method we are going to draw the number line here. So let us say that this is the number line and now we are going to determine the critical points. That is those points at which the value of this expression becomes 0. So if we put x is equals to 4, then this x minus 4 whole to the power 2005 becomes 0. So here we have the x is equal to 4 as one critical point. And if we put x is equal to minus 8, then we get this term as 0. So here we have another critical point as minus 8. Similarly, we have x is equals to minus 1 as critical point from this term. So here we have minus 1. And from this, if we put x is equals to minus 9, then we get the value of this complete expression as 0. So we get the minus 9 as another critical point. From this we have 6. From this we have minus 3. From this we have 2. And finally from this we have 0. So all of these are the critical points. Now let us plot all of these critical points on this number line we have drawn here. So we have the minus 9, minus 8 here. So let us draw the minus 9 here. Here we have minus 8 like this. Now we have minus 3, minus 1 also. So now we have minus 3, minus 1 like this. And now we have this 0, 2, 4 and 6. So we plot the 0, 2, 4 and 6 like this on this number line. Now according to the wavy-curvy method, we will always be going to have the positive sign after this 6. That is the first critical point. Now let us check whether this positive sign changes at x is equal to 6 or not. So here we got the 6 critical point from this term. So here we have the power of this term as odd. So we can say that the sign will change because the power is odd. So here we have the minus sign. Now the next critical point is 4 and we got the critical point 4 from this, and here we have the power as odd. So here also the sign will change. So here we have the positive sign. The next critical point is 2. So we got 2 from this, and here the power is odd. So here the sign will also change. Now at x is equal to 0, we get this point from here, and here the power is even, that is 2006. So here the sign will remain same and will not change. So here we had the minus sign, so here we also have the minus sign. Now at x is equals to minus 1, which we have got from here, the power is odd, that is 1. So now the sign will also change here. So here we have the plus sign. Now at x is equals to minus 3, which we have got from here, we can see that the power is odd, so the sign will change. Again we have the minus 8, so at x is equals to minus 8, the power is even, that is 2008. So here the sign will remain same. So here we have the negative sign again. Now the next and the final critical point is minus 9, and we got the minus 9 critical point from this term. So here we have the even power, that is 2010. So here we can say that the sign will remain same. So here we also have the negative sign. Now in this question we were asked to find the value of x for which this complete expression is always less than equals to 0. So here we can see that our expression is negative for all of these values. So here we have all of these values when the expression is always less than 0. But let us check at x is equals to minus 9. So if we put x is equals to minus 9 here in this expression, then we get the minus 9 plus 9, that is 0 in the denominator, which is not permissible. So here we exclude this x is equals to minus 9. So here we have an open interval. Now let us check for x is equals to minus 8. So if we put x is equals to minus 8, then we get this complete expression as 0 from this term. Here we are given that the equality to 0 is also included. So here we include this minus 8 in our solution set. So this is the closed interval. Now here we have the x is equals to minus 3 as the critical point. So if we put x is equal to minus 3, then we get the 0 in the denominator here. So this is not permissible, and hence we have put an open interval here in front of -3. Now we have the negative sign here also. So let us check for -1. So if we put x is equal to -1, then we get 0 in the numerator, and this expression will turn out to be 0 due to this. And 0 is a permissible value. So we include this -1 in our solution set, and hence we have the closed interval at this point. Now we check for the 0. So if we put x is equal to 0, then we get the 0 in the denominator, which is again not permissible from here. So we exclude this 0 from our solution set. And the next critical point is 2. So we check for x is equal to 2. So if we put x is equal to 2, then we get the 0 in this denominator, and hence we exclude this 2 from our solution set also. So here we have the open interval. Now we also have the range of 4 to 6, in which this expression is less than 0. So let us check for x is equals to 4. So if we put x is equal to 4, then we get the 0 as the value of this expression. So we include this x is equals to 4 in our solution set, and hence we have the closed interval at this x is equals to 4. And at x is equals to 6, if we put x is equals to 6, then we get the 0 in the denominator again, and hence we exclude this x is equal to 6 from our solution set, and hence we have an open interval here. Now from seeing this diagram, we can write our answer. So our answer is the x belongs to the range of -infinity to -9, that is this range. So we have -infinity to -9, and at -9 we have an open interval. Union from -9 to -3, because at 8 we have the closed interval. So here we have the -9 to -3, both open interval. And after this we have the union from -1 to 0. So here we have the closed interval at x is equal to -1, and it continues up to 0. Union from 0 to 2, like this, both at open interval. Union from 4 to 6, that is this range, but at 4 we have the closed interval. So we have the 4 to 6 like this. So this is the solution set which they have asked to us in the question, and this is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.